Hello guys, today I have my new product that is a neck massager. I know that I'm going to love this product, okay? I'm going to open it and let's see what's inside, okay? Here they are, like how to use it and the precautions you need to have. And okay, first we open it, we need to note that here is like a bottom that it's for the on and the off, and also to pause. And the next one it's like an arrow, the next one it's the mood, and then the heat, and the USB that it's a type C. So I'm going to open it and I'm very excited to try it. Okay, once we open it, we can see the product, it's like this. And then okay, here's the product, and then we have the neck massager the user manual, okay, and the USB charging, okay. So in the user manual, okay, it says like the operation modes that I already explained you, and okay, they're like in different types of idioms. So there are the precautions, and okay, so here's this one, and then I'm going to, wow, okay, it has like types for that you can use it. And here are okay, it's like this, and here are the bottoms that I already show you. Here you can charge it. So I'm going to put it, okay, we're going to put it like this, and then we're going to press here to turn it on. Okay, there's a sound and it's already like you can see there, it's like moving. Wow, it feels really good. Okay, I can think that maybe pressing in the third bottom, 1, 2, 3, in this bottom, we can change the mood. So okay, it says like another mood. Okay, yeah, I think it's like a different. Then we click it another time. Okay, it's this one, the third one, I think it's the strong mode. Okay, the soft mode, strong mode. Okay, I can feel it, like obviously it's different. Okay, I think it's just like the soft and the strong mode. Oh no, yeah, there's another one. Okay, I'm going to take it off. It feels really good. Definitely I'm going to stay with this product, but I want you to show you like how is it moving. Okay,
soft mode.
There, like you can see it, like it's like a different
strong mode.
Okay, there it's moving like faster.
Soft mode.
Okay, then it's like not too fast.
Strong mode.
Okay, guys, this, okay.
Clockwise rotation.
Okay, in this arrow that it's here, it's like to the other side. Like you can see, there is to one side.
Anti-clockwise rotation.
And there is like a different rotation.
Clockwise rotation.
And okay, that is the clock rotation.
Anti-clockwise rotation.
And that it's like to the other side of the clock rotation. And this,
turn on heating. Turn off heating.
okay, definitely
turn
this
massage.
Okay, there I put just like pause,
turn on massage. Turn off massage.
and you need to leave it like clicking like 2 seconds to turn it off. So really, this is a perfect product. Really, you're not going to feel bad when you buy it, and it's really soft, the material. So I really like too much this product.